Today I'm going to show you how to make a sky using water-soluble oil pastels. These oil pastels are different than the oil pastels we have in the drawing studio because when you take a brush and water and wet your paper, you can blend the pastels with water. Before I get started, I'm going to grab a placemat for painting. I'm going to put it at my workstation. Then I'm going to get my sheet of paper, which will be my sky. I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to write my name on the back of the paper before I get started. And if you're worried about the Sharpie bleeding through like it did here a little bit, maybe use a pencil at your table. So I'm going to get started. I have a set of oil pastels at each table, and your table is going to share them. I'm going to think about what kind of sky I would like to make, and I'm going to take the oil pastels one at a time and then put it back when I am done so people at my table can share with me. Here we go, let's get started. Now that I've added all of the lines that I would like with the dry oil pastel, I'm going to take a cup with water in it and a paintbrush, and I'm going to start adding water to my lines. So here I am dipping my brush in the water, and I'm going to start adding water and start blending my colors with the paintbrush. So this starts to give your oil pastel a watercolor-like effect. I can blend my colors and make my sky. Once you've wet your paper, you can even go back and get some more dry oil pastels again, and you can try using them on the water and see what effect that makes. You could add some more lines and keep blending with another color if you would like to. Once I feel like my sky is finished, I am going to place it on the drying rack and let it dry until next class. Next class, we will be able to add texture and more color on top of our skies if we would like to. Happy art making, artists!